Hi guys, today I have tried this n8n .io automation workflow website. I used AI agents from OpenAI. So what I did is I have a bunch of resumes in this Google Drive folder resume. So what this automation will do is so it will iterate through that drive resumes drive folder, and it will I have three resumes here. So one is Python developer resume, Java developer resume, and .NET developer resume. So what this will do is, so it will fetches the three resumes and gives it to this workflow. This workflow will separate that three resumes into three separate folders based on the tech stack. Suppose here the Python developer resume will be moved into Python folder, and Java developer resume will be moved into Java folder, and .NET developer resume will be moved into .NET folder. So what the resume, the main brain of this workflow is this ChatGPT model. So what the thing is doing is it reads the file, it reads the resume, and it pulls the content of the resume and feeds that to this OpenAI chat model. So this chat model will decide what is the tech stack of that person. So this chat model will give the main tech stack of that model, main tech stack of that person. So based on that output of this chat model, the resume will be moved into the will be copied to the respective tech stack folder. So this is the workflow. So this is the brain, or you can say AI agent I kept here. So this is the OpenAI chat model. So let's try this one. So I kept three resumes here. If you see my drive, and I have no other folders over here. So those three resumes are in this resume folder. So if I run this workflow, so once I run the workflow, so it is doing its thing. It's working on the second resume, if you see this, and it's working on the third resume. See, if you see, the three files are fed to this OpenAI chat model. Now if we go to this, so if you see this one, so earlier we have only had resumes folder. Now we can see three other folders got created based on the resumes we given. So if you go into this, Python will have the Python developer resume, and Java will have this Java developer resume, and .NET will have the .NET developer resume. So these resumes got segregated by this workflow using this AI chat model. So not only that, I tried also used other chat models like other APIs. I mean other chat other generative AI models like Gemini and OpenAI and Grok. Grok also working the same. I removed this in place of ChatGPT. I use Grok. This is also working fine. So this is the automation I tried using n8n. This is this is pretty cool. For the if you want to try AI agents or some workflows in your organization or automate some tasks, you can go for that. And the main thing is like it has so many nodes you can use, so many chat models it has. Like it has Anthropic other chat model and OpenAI and it has lot of generative AI models you can try. It has Llama models, so you can try if you want.